Welcome engineers! My name is Travis IQ and we are back over 500 subs. As a result, we are celebrating. We're going to do a CTF scavenger hunt giveaway. We're going to give away a custom NFT built specifically for this channel. It's a scavenger hunt in Packet Tracer 8. So without further ado, let's get to it. And we're back in the void with Packet Tracer for our 500 sub giveaway, CTF, scavenger hunt, whatever you want to call it. Behind me is a custom Packet Tracer instance that I have set up with a PC that you are supposed to use to connect to the cluster, and a cluster with a moderately complex network inside the cluster, including services like DHCP, DNS, HSRP, LACP, routing protocols, OSPF, static routing, and any number of other unmentioned protocols, although I've tried to give you a pretty clear description here. That being said, I will also go over the cluster network setup after the contest is over. So I have a series that's going to talk about all those setups. If you wanted to see me build this cluster from zero to hero over the course of a couple of videos and narrate it as well, you will see that. That being said, I have built this thing from scratch for the contest. Every device is password protected. I'll be giving you the challenge username and password to use to connect to each of the devices. It'll be the same across the environment. And what am I going to give you for finding the CTF scavenger hunt clue? I am going to be giving away custom NFTs. So I had a custom NFT built, and I am going to be sending those to contest winners on the Solana blockchain. I'm doing some other projects on Solana. I thought it would be pretty cool. So DM me, and I'll talk about this in kind of the how to get through this. But you'll DM me the password and Solana address, and I'll send it to you. That being said, this stuff should be pretty awesome. I'll talk about navigating Packet Tracer if you're not particularly familiar with it, at least for a second here. So what do we have here? We have our PC, and it is connected to the cluster, and we're not going to discuss how it's connected to the cluster. As a result, you'll have to figure these things out, right? You can hop into this PC here, right, with standard Packet Tracer configs. We can go to the desktop, and we can go to the command prompt and telnet to an address of the network that we're on. I'll have you figure out the addresses that you need to telnet to and whatnot from the configurations of the PC, as well as once you get into the network from the configuration of connected network devices. That being said, this is the only thing that's available is this PC, and the cluster attention that is locked. So here we are. That's exactly the environment we're looking for. Okay, contest details. So I will be giving away this NFT right here. Bingo. Check this thing out. It's going to be a 1 of 25. First 25 people to solve this thing. Get this bad boy right here. Woo! Okay. How do you get it? You are going to need a username and password for all of the devices. It is the same across the entire environment. It's admin, all lowercase, and I will put this in the show notes as well, so there's no debate as to how bad my handwriting is. What you are looking for when you are telnetting from device to device by IP address and putting in this admin password so that you can then run the required show commands to understand the environment, right, is you are looking for a user, a specific user, and this user's name is Gustaf. And I need the password associated with Gustaf. If you find this password, DM me your answer on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Travis IQ. It's also in the comments section of all of my videos. DM me the password and a Solana wallet. This is a public key, but basically it's a Solana wallet address or ID. And I will send this NFT to that address. If you do not know what a Solana wallet is, I would use Phantom Wallet, and I'm going to publish a video on this just right after this video comes out, maybe this evening or the following morning. But I will do a little Phantom Wallet tutorial if you're interested in this. And that's it. DM me the password, and a Solana wallet ID. I would say preferably Phantom wallet, but it doesn't really matter. If you have any other Solana wallet that you prefer, go ahead and use that. I will also publish the PKA, the packet tracer file, that will be linked in the description below. So in the description below is my Twitter handle, the packet tracer file that you need to participate in the CTF or scavenger hunt, whatever you want to call it, and then also send me that information on Twitter. If you put it in the comments below, I will delete that comment because I want people to have a fair chance to take a look at it and find it themselves. And I also, obviously, will not send you the NFT because you didn't complete the qualifications for the giveaway. That being said, as is always the case, engineer, break stuff, have fun. We'll see you out there. If you have any questions or comments, put it in the comments and I will answer questions. I'll help you through this thing. We'll see you next time.